Hey guys, wanted to give you guys a quick update on Doggy. We are at 4 cents again. We did break. We did break previous highs. We are creating higher highs and higher lows here on the uptrend to the right side on the week chart. We did break these higher highs of the 4 cents, exactly like 408 cent mark. We are at 416 right now, so I do think we're gonna keep that trajectory upwards. Currently, I am up 14,600 bucks. I think when we reach this level of around 8 cents again, I think there's a big chance we might break it and head up towards the 11 cent, which is actually the price range that I think we're going to head towards. And then after 11 cents, I think it was like 20 cents. I don't remember. I need to double check to see what exactly the price ranges are again. But just a quick update. Doggy is at 4 cents again, which I'm extremely happy about because I did buy the lows back here at like around the 2 cent level. And I knew that we were retesting the previous highs. I'm like, there's no way we did back down. DogeCoin is already too mainstream, too public to shoot all the way back down to 007, right? So I did have that. Well, I did obviously do the T8, but as of right now, I do think we're headed all the way back up to 8 cents, possibly breaking that 10 cent, 11 cent barrier that I've told you guys about.